officially about to check out of our room. Heading out right now. Just got our strawberry banana smoothies at Cafe Soleil. So far today's weather is a little bit more breezy. The breeze coming through feels nice. Better than it being hella hot. We're about getting ready to leave. Still have my smoothie. Jay's right here, and he has our walking sticks. We got in. This is the line currently.
There's a deer that's never been seen. It made a big difference in my life, and it's seldom heard. It's called the yes deer. Understand the yes deer, your life is about to become a whole lot easier. Yes dear, I'm sorry, I love you. Don't ever say no.
That's the wrong information.
No, you're okay.
He's dropping gems on these guys. Dropping
I
gems.
love you. Not a good thing.
Look at him, single by himself.
Could be the very front seat on the left side.
Thank you. Front and center. We'll take this down a little bit. It's kind of crazy to see like how everyone's traveling right now during like a pandemic. And it's crazy like how it's the new norm to see everyone with masks. And like if someone isn't wearing a mask, it's almost weird for them not to be wearing one. And I mean, that's kind of notable for us to be doing this during a pandemic, just because it's different. It's way different.
Outstanding scenery, sanctuary for wildlife, an oasis in the desert, and a homeland for generations of native people and pioneers. Zion National Park is a place for youth and future generations to make lasting memories. If you have visited the park before, you will notice that many things have changed since your last trip here. In response to the COVID-19 pandemic, the park and its partners have taken steps to protect the health and safety of our employees and visitors. Please keep the windows open for maximum ventilation to reduce the likelihood of virus transmission, and wear a mask to protect yourself and others around you. There is no standing or sitting on the floor allowed. Before embarking on your chosen hike, please think about what your day will look like. Each double bus can only carry 33 seated people, and there might be long lines for the last shuttle out of the canyon at the end of the day.
On your circular, you'll see stop number 5, Zion Lodge. This is where you'll find the Emerald Pool. And we have stop number 6, the Grotto. We have Angel's Landing, the Yen Cap, and Western Trail at that stop. Our final stop will be the Temple of Sinawava. You have the Riverside Walk and the Narrows at that stop.
So we made it to our stop and we are about to stop. Excited! reached the entrance. Let me show you what it looks like. And we'll be going right over there. I'm just nervous because I'm not sure how much I'll be able to record for you guys because I'm not trying to get this camera wet. Yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and get started. What do you think, Jay?
Let's go.
Jay and I are getting ready to go in the water. We have our hiking sticks. And we're about to start the narrows. Let's do this. Hella stoked. So the water is definitely getting deeper. Like significantly from back there. And I think it just keeps getting even more so deeper, so see how that goes. So far it's beautiful though. The weather is perfect too. The water actually feels so refreshing and good actually. Quick update, we stopped to take pictures because of course I want to capture some moments. We've already stopped a few times. I actually took a picture with this background. I'm not too sure how long we're gonna hike for. Whenever we kind of feel like we want to tap out, we'll probably just head back. But for now, we're still good. Significantly different from what we've seen so far. There's kind of a trail here, so you don't necessarily have to walk through the water unless you want to. Just came upon this bend and it is stunning. Honestly, I'm loving this trail so far. This hike is amazing. It's not too difficult. It's fairly easy. You need your walking stick. It's a must. It's a lifesaver out here, especially for me since I'm so tiny. And it really has been helping me out so much. My boots also, our socks also coming in clutch. So as long as you come prepared, I'm sure you will be Gucci because this is a must do, definitely. I love it, it's crazy, it's beautiful, like these views, it's something that I've just never seen anything like ever before. I'm just so stoked and I feel so blessed to be here right now. Update, time kind of flew by and it is now like 2:40, about to be 3 o'clock. So Jay and I are kind of thinking that we need to wrap it up, but the only thing is it's just so beautiful here. And it's funny because anytime we come across a bend, we're just like, okay, let's just see what's around the corner and then we'll see what's up. But of course everything just looks so beautiful. It does look different every turn that you take, so that's kind of the reason why we also want to keep going. But this time for real, we might just do one more and then call it quits and head back because it might take us a while to get back, hopefully not. Okay, so this is the bend. What you think, Jay?
Pretty cool. I think it's like more foresty over there. There's like more trees.
We're most likely going to call it quits here, not because we want to. Huh?
I think it's forage.
Wow, you're still on that? We're calling it quits now. We're gonna turn around, not because we want to and not because we're tired or anything. We actually could have kept going, but it's about to be 3 o'clock. We haven't had anything to eat. We only had our smoothie that you saw us have this morning. We didn't pack any snacks with us, to be honest. We just have water, but we've been golden so far. I feel like we covered enough ground and my little heart is happy enough to go back. Hopefully this is something that we can do again in the future because we really loved it. At least I did. What do you think, Jay? You like it? Yeah. It's pretty dope. It's different. And then if we come back, I feel like we can explore a little bit more, cover much more ground. But for today, I'm content with what we have explored. So we'll most likely head back.
A few moments later.
Okay, update. We want to keep going. I'm telling you, it's just too much. It's so beautiful. We overheard someone saying that up above, we're gonna come up to a split. It goes two ways, and I guess it leads up to a creek. So of course, homeboy over here wants to go check it out, see what's up. And to be honest, while we're walking and talking, the main reason we also want to leave is because we checked out of our hotel this morning, and after the Narrows, we will start heading out towards our next adventure, which will be the fishing side of the trip, which is something that Jay is looking forward to a lot. I mean, so am I. But that's also the reason why we're kind of trying to wrap it up here, because we have so much more of Utah to explore. We have a whole week ahead of us, have a few more days, so we're also not trying to do the most. We want to make sure that we cover everything with like significant amount of time so that we feel content with our trip. So that's kind of the reason. But let's go check out this creek, see what it's all about. Guys, it's so crazy because I just saw Sabina, who I'm gonna enter her Instagram account right here. She's so awesome. She's an actress, and dude, I saw yesterday or the day before that her and her husband Tyler were coming to Zion, and I told Jay about it. And then last night I watched her stories and stuff. I didn't know they were actually coming to the Narrows or anything. But dude, tell me why we decided to keep walking. And I heard someone talking. I heard her voice. I look over and I was so shocked. I was like, dude, it's Sabina. And I took a picture with her, which I will also enter here. I'm so glad that I asked her to take a photo. We ended up kind of talking for a little bit. Jay even spoke to her husband, Tyler. I'm just so like in shock right now. I can't believe it. I completely feel like I attracted that into my life, like to get to meet her. She's such a sweetheart. She's so dope. As you know, like if you follow her on Instagram, like she has like such a great personality. So that already just made my whole trip. I cannot. We kept going, and it's pretty dope because it seems like we got to a point where a lot of people turned back, and so it's a little bit more empty here. The views are still just as amazing. I'm in awe. This place has just been amazing. Look at these views. So there's two sides, one side and then that side. I'm not sure if we're gonna keep going because this is already maybe like the second or third time that we say we're about to turn back and we don't. And I'm not sure if this will be where we call it quits or not. What are you thinking, Jay?
We should get a good photo there to get some cheese.
Cool. We might take some photos really quick. Yep, the extra miles. Definitely worth it. It looks so awesome. Way different. Jay and I kind of have it to ourselves right now. I'm kind of glad we ended up not turning back yet.
Yeah.
Right?
I would say now this probably.
Yeah.
So we go over there.
We keep going. Might as well. I mean, we're out here, so just trying to enjoy as much as we can. Trying to take it all in. Dang. Probably gonna put you guys away now. The canyon isn't as narrow anymore. Kind of opens up a little bit more. There's more greenery. From what we heard, it'll just keep going on and on and on. But you just have to keep in mind that as long as you go, you also have to walk that back. Thankfully, Jay and I have been doing good. We're pretty golden.
One eternity later.
We have reached Costa Rica.
Pretty much. This time we mean it. We're heading back because this spot that we're at, it's just kind of, yeah, it's just different. And I think it'll be better for us to head back. Especially because it's already like, what, 4:30? Yeah, I feel the same way.
I feel like this. Yeah, have like turned around back there, I would have been like, oh, like, what else was there?
Yeah, I get you. It's kind of empty over here. People don't make it this far. Heading out. Definitely worth it. We reached this part of the trail. So earlier coming in, we saw the waterfall. We're holding up pretty well. That was the deepest part. Now we got this to work with, which is hella manageable compared to what we've done already. And just like that, we officially made it to the end. What's up, Jay? You have something to say?
Just like that?
Yeah.
I should have recorded you struggling. Over there, how to carry you.
You didn't carry me. The lies he tells. My goodness. I did good, be honest. Leave a comment down below if you thought I was gonna fall. Not today. Whew. Maybe I was close a few times, but got myself.
Back to society.
I loved it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was so awesome. It was beautiful. It was definitely different too.
Would you do it again?
I would. Would you?
Yeah, but it wouldn't be the same.
Because you already kind of know what to expect.
Yeah, unless maybe we go left on that next
Split?
turn.
Yeah. I would say the beginning is a bit easier than towards the end.
The views towards the end were worth it.
I second that. Thankfully, the weather was really good today. The water wasn't too cold at all. And I feel like that was also a factor that allowed us to hike longer. We just got off the bus, and that bus was like coming back from Disneyland. Like, it was quiet, everyone was tired, exhausted. Oh girl, it kind of got to me too. I had been fine, and then I just got tired out of nowhere. It hit me. But we're back, we made it. We're safe, we're sound. Highly recommend. Beautiful. So we finished with our trip here in Springdale. Now we are moving on to
Duck Creek Village. Quack, quack.
I got the flautas verdes. Jay, what'd you get, boo?
The beef burrito.
What was I gonna say?